So I'm sitting there and I'm measuring the bore. It's supposed to be 1.875 plus or minus 2 thou. And then I have that sinking moment. Oh man, I think I messed this up. Now, those moments are never easy on the machine shop floor, and it's with the pace that we get to running at in production, it's bound to happen where we have those times. Now, if you're plus minus 5 thou, not a big deal. You've got that room, you've got that tolerance where a quick check with the calipers doesn't matter. Once you start to get underneath that, or you start to up your frequency, having a 3-point system makes a world of difference in the speed, the efficiency, and the size resolution, and the tolerances that you're able to check with it. So we've got the whole test from Mitutoyo. And these 3 points right here is what saves you so much time when you're trying to align to the bore. So if you're tired of fighting with the alignment or the speed at which you can measure with your 2-point versus the 3-point carbide pads, then it's time to look at updating your measurement for the common sizes you have. Obviously, I'm not saying that these are the best solution when you're looking just for general inspection. Your T gauges, your mics, and your calipers are going to be great for the variety, especially in the job shop environment or your loose tolerance, plus minus 5 thou. However, when you start to get into the tighter tolerance work, or when you have certain sizes like 1.875 inches that you're doing all the time, when it becomes your bread and butter hole and you want to hit those sizes perfect, that's a great time to invest in a Digimatic hole test system from Mitutoyo. Being able to rapidly switch between millimeters and inches really makes a world of difference when you're on the shop floor trying to get that quick inspection in. If you want to talk more or talk to other people that use these in the day-to-day, drop a comment down below. Anyone currently using these, share your experience. What's your experience now? Do you ever have those close moments where you're fighting with the calipers? I would love to know. I'm all about keeping your spindles turning and earning, and doing so reliably, hitting those tolerances and not having those heart-stopping moments where you're worried that you just got the size out. Well, that's always about having, that better life experience. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.